This is the M1 Abrams Advanced Battle Tank. The M1 Abrams tank itself is a for-crew combat vehicle made by the General Dynamics manufacturer. The M1 Abrams is the third generation of main battle tanks produced by the United States. His name is taken from General Creighton Abrams. This combat vehicle has three models, namely M1, M1A1, and M1A2, which incorporates ever-improved weaponry, protection, and electronics. The M1 has a powerful arsenal, is heavily armored, and is a highly mobile tank designed for armored fighting vehicles. The specialty of this tank is a gas turbine engine that is fueled by JP8 jet fuel. Adopting advanced composite armor and separate ammunition storage in separate compartments for crew safety, weighing close to 62 tons. The M1 is one of the heaviest tanks still in use. The M1 Abrams was developed during the Cold War as a replacement for the cancelled MBT-70. The M1 Abrams contract went to Chrysler Defense and was the first vehicle to be adopted by the Chobham fleet. Pre-Persian Gulf War adaptations such as Operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm provided protection weapons and NBCIE, nuclear, biological, and chemical vehicles which are better, being far superior to Iraqi tanks. In terms of weapons, the Abrams tank is equipped with a 105mm M68A1 rifled cannon, 50 cal M2 machine gun, and 7.62 M2 140 machine gun. In the payload section, this tank usually carries ammunition for these weapons plus 20 for smoke grenades. The M1 model Abrams tank weighs 60 tons and is 9.7 meters long, 3.65 meters wide, and 2.38 meters high. This combat vehicle has ground clearance, namely the distance between the lowest point of the tank and the road is 49 centimeters. The Abrams M1 is equipped with an AGT 1500 turbine engine capable of producing 1,500 horsepower with a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour. This armored vehicle has a maximum fuel capacity of 498 gallons, or 885 liters, which can take it to explore as far as 440 kilometers, or 426.47 liters per 100 kilometers. Even so, Abrams has a different fuel spec. He consumes JP8 jet fuel commonly used in the U.S. military. One tank on these tanks takes about 300 gallons every 8 hours. However, the numbers may vary depending on the mission, terrain, and weather. One tank takes 10 minutes to refuel. The refueling and gun refit process for a platoon of 4 tanks took about 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Based on data from the US-owned M1 Abrams tank, there are 393 active M1A1 units with 3,000 M1 units in storage. In addition, there are 586 units of Abrams type M1A2 and 588 units of M1A2 SEP. The M1 Abrams tank, one of the world's best heavyweight tanks. although the famous Abrams tank is complicated in operation. The initial purpose of making the M1 Abrams tank was for use in a tank war with the Soviet Union. The first combat deployment of this type of tank was during the 1991 Persian Gulf War. The heavyweight tank is named after the late Creighton W. Abrams, former Army Chief of Staff and commander of the U.S. 37th Armored Battalion. The Federation of American Scientists explains, Abrams is a commander who is the backbone of the U.S. military's armored forces. Until now, the tank continues to renew. This product has also been sold to many countries, with thousands of units produced. The initial series M1 Abrams was built between 1985 and 1993. The M1 Abrams tank has a commander's seat periscope giving a 360-degree view, has automatic sector scanning, stable day and night vision, automatic target signaling which eliminates the need for the gunner to establish communication with the commander. The gunner section also has a night vision thermal imaging technology system. More than that, this heavyweight tank also has a digital fire control computer system and a laser radar. The M1 Abrams is also equipped with nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare protection. It also has a clean air system, a radiological warning system, and a chemical detector. The 4 crew on board are equipped with protective suits and masks. This one tank has the ability to shoot accurately when traveling at high speed, on rough ground. Infrared vision has also proven effective in dusty and smoky night and day combat. This is a little review of the M1 Abrams tank. If there are questions, please fill in the comments column. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.